Cristiano MZ. Related to Now or Never and It's the Business. The oldest offspring of Dam Zylander Z are both successfully competing in show jumping, and she represents a successful lineage that has produced international performers for generations. Grand Dam Garlander competed in international 1m40 classes and fought the international 150 level show jumper van Schijndel's Now or Never, ridden by Piet Rijmakers. Besides Grand Dam Garlander is a sibling to the 160 level performer It's the Business of Jeff Glazard. Cristiano MZ is sired by Chacoon Blue, whose offspring are making their mark at 1m45 150 level at the age of 8 years only.